Most people don't fail at budgeting because they're lazy. They fail because their budget feels like punishment. And the moment life gets stressful, the entire system falls apart. That's why so many people restart their budget every single month. But wealthy people don't treat budgeting like restriction. They treat it like control. The first mistake? Tracking every tiny expense until money starts creating anxiety. Instead, focus on just 3 categories: essentials, investments, and lifestyle spending. Most people save what's left. Rich people invest first, even if it's only a small amount. And smart budgeting still includes fun, coffee, entertainment, travel, guilt-free. Wealthy people automate saving and investing so systems replace motivation. Because financial stability isn't built by motivation, it's built by structure. And that's when real progress begins. I ever wonder why some people always seem broke, even when they earn good money? This stickman worked hard every day. But somehow, his money disappeared by the end of the month. He got paid, then spent almost everything on stuff he didn't really need. One day, he learned something simple. Rich people don't just spend money, they buy assets first. Instead of wasting cash, he started learning skills and investing a little at a time. Slowly, his money began growing. Not because he worked harder, but because his money worked too. Now, even while resting, small amounts of income kept coming in. And once he understood the system, he started teaching others the same lesson. Wealth usually doesn't happen overnight. It grows step by step, skill by skill. So, next time you get paid, ask yourself one question. Will you buy liabilities or assets?